Hello everybody and welcome back to Crypto Time. Now today we are going to be talking about if I think the market is turning bullish. Now there's a lot of conversation, there's been a lot of Reddit topics and a lot of tweets that I've been seeing talking about that. We have left the bear market, we're out of the bear market, we're turning bullish, let's go. And although I'm excited because, you know, your boy's portfolio is up like 40% over the last week, so anytime your portfolio goes up by that amount, you know, you're definitely excited. But like I said in my video a couple of days ago, I don't want to see my portfolio rise 250% in a week, you know. And I think that's something that we really need to try to avoid is these moonshots where we know we're going to go up to these crazy highs, but you also know that when you rise that quick, there's going to be a crash just as fast, if not faster, and much harder. So I want to avoid the moonshot. Now, again, I don't control the market. You know, the market does what it wants to do. For me personally, I'd like to see this steady growth continue. You know, Bitcoin rises a couple percent per day. We have a little bit of a pullback, raise a couple percent per day. But every time it's hitting higher lows and higher highs, and we're steadily growing in market cap, especially total market cap, which is almost at 400 billion. So I'm really happy about the growth recently. Now, in terms of the market going bullish, I do not think we're at that point yet. I think we're in the beginning steps of exiting this 3 or 4 month bear market period. However, I don't think we're out yet, and I'm going to explain why. 9K has been a historically very hard barrier and very strong or a very hard level to cross. Every time we've passed 9K in the last about month or two, maybe even in the 3-month chart I'll show it, but I believe, yeah, the 3-month chart is far too long. I'll say in the past month, maybe 2 months, every time you pass 9K, there's a huge sell-off. Every single time. And you can see from the chart every time it happens. And we fall back down to the 8s, to the 6. And I believe it's going to happen again where we're going to cross over 9, maybe get to like 9.1, fall back to 8.5, maybe even back into the 7s. And that's not to scare anybody. That's just what the trend and that's what history has shown us. And I believe if we can break both 9 and 10K before maybe like the end of March or before the end of May, I think we'll be in a really good point for the market to turn bullish. Do I think we're going to go crazy, go to 20K, 30K, 40K? I'm not saying that, but I think that if we can break both 9 and 10K, that will make the market want to turn bullish and have a much better chance of turning bullish. Like I said, 9K is going to be a really big key resistance level that we need to break. But 10K is going to be even tougher because it's such a psychological barrier. If we enter the 5-figure market, that's going to be a really big deal, and I think if that happens, a lot of interest and a lot of new investors will come into the market, and a lot of interest will be generated, maybe through people who learned about it before but never got into it, and they hear, you know, Bitcoin's back, Bitcoin's booming, it's at 10K, 11K, 12K, etc. I think that will be a very big indicator of turning the market bullish because we need new investors and a lot of new interest to turn bullish. So that's my perspective on it. I think that right now we're in a really good spot. I'd like to see the steady growth continue. However, I know 9K is a very big resistance level and it's going to be something that's very hard to break. Hopefully we can do it. You know, if it takes a week, if it takes a week and a half, that's fine. As long as it eventually does it, and as long as it eventually breaks through. That's what my take is, guys. I hope it happens. I hope we break the level, but I'm hoping that just doesn't happen too fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little short one, but I have a lot of stuff to do today. It is Sunday. It's a beautiful day here. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Hope your bags and I hope your portfolios are doing well. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video and tomorrow's live stream. So until then, everybody, see ya.